G'day, Trent Fleskens here from Strategic Property Group, and today we're talking about the infamous land tax. I hate land tax. It's an archaic, punitive tax on landholders introduced in 1909 by then Prime Minister Andrew Fisher to try and break up huge colonial land holdings at the time. And whilst it was met by public outcry, no consequent government has considered repealing it. But what is land tax, and when does it apply to you? In simplest terms, land tax is a marginal tax on the unimproved land value of all the properties you own that you don't live in, taxed at different rates in different states. So disregarding my principal place of residence, if I have an additional property worth $800,000 and the valuer general values that land portion of $400,000, I'll be taxed on the value of $400,000 at a particular cent in the dollar rate if it's above the minimum threshold the relevant state has set. And if you have more than one investment property in the same state, this amount can quickly translate into thousands of dollars a year, every year. Now, whilst there isn't much that can be done to get around this, there are a few strategies that can reduce the way your portfolio is treated with regard to this tax. Firstly, it's a state-run tax, so each state has their own rates and their own minimum thresholds, which means that those spreading their investments across the country will benefit from being able to stay under the threshold longer. This, however, wouldn't be a strategy to employ simply for this one reason, but a benefit of the system. Secondly, land tax is also built against unique ownerships. So if you had 3 properties in your own name, 2 with your partner, and another in a trust, the Revenue Office will individually assess the values with a minimum threshold for each ownership structure rather than lumping it all to you as one single person. This is worth considering if your land tax bill is starting to become noticeable. So these are all great to know and can give help under the right circumstances, but unfortunately for now, it seems land tax is here to stay. So if you are planning on starting or building a big empire on property, you should speak to your accountant, who for a relatively small fee can save you thousands of dollars a year by setting you up with the right ownership structure from the get-go.